Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So bulk image generation lets you create dozens or even hundreds of images fast, perfect for content creators, Etsy shops, ads, and social media. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to use OpenArt for bulk image generation in 2026. So first thing, create a strong base prompt, like start with one solid prompt, include subject, style, lighting, details, quality. So for example, I can show you this example. So just to take it into consideration. So minimalist wall art, abstract shapes, pastel colors, soft lighting, clean design, high resolution. Okay, so this prompt will drive all outputs. Okay, so use batch generation. So inside OpenArt, set number of images, for example, from 4 to 8 per patch, generate multiple outputs, repeat patches multiple times. More patches means more options that you can take or choose from. Okay, so keep prompts consistent, like do not change core prompts. Okay, only adjust small elements if needed. Avoid rewriting everything because consistency is scalable results. Okay, so use variations like control changes, so change color, background, minor details, keep style, structure, for example, same design, different color themes. Okay, use reference images, like upload a strong image, generate variations based on it. It helps maintain consistency across patches. Okay, so this is it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.